Hey guys, welcome to the final video in our 6-part video series about the impact-driven personal training model and the upcoming maximum impact bundle. I just wanted to stop for a moment and say thank you to everyone who has watched this video series. You know, I've received so many messages, so many emails from so many passionate new trainers, and the early bird waitlist has really grown a lot bigger than I expected, so thank you guys. In fact, right now there's way more people on the early bird waitlist than I can actually accept into the course. I've also received dozens of questions about the upcoming Maximum Impact Bundle, and instead of replying to every single message one by one, I thought it'd be easier to shoot this video and answer everyone's questions in one place. So if you sent me a message and I haven't gotten back to you, I apologize, but my inbox has been pretty swamped. But now before I do that, I want to recap everything that we've covered in this 6-part video series. If you've watched the last 5 videos, then you know that the impact-driven personal training model is the best way to start a rewarding career as a fitness professional that creates financial stability through having the biggest impact on your community. I've also showed you that implementing the impact-driven PT model is easy. I demonstrated how you can quickly get started, and I showed you how you can make your life easier and get results really fast with the 4 foundations of health. I also showed you an actual blueprint of the IDPT model in action and how Gilbert, one of our many successful students, was able to impact his community and create a 6-figure business despite having no prior training or experience. And with the Maximum Impact Bundle, there's no reason why you cannot do the same thing. You don't need a ton of experience or a business background to be successful. Now, with that being said, I'm excited to announce that registration for the Maximum Impact Bundle is about to open in the next couple of days, and I'll be taking a small handful of students and teaching them exactly how to have the largest impact on their communities step by step. I will teach you the 6 pillars of impact, including learning the foundations of fitness and health, targeting your audience, solving their problems, and scaling your reach to have ultimate impact. This isn't going to be a bunch of abstract theory, but rather a direct guide to creating personal and financial freedom as a fitness professional while truly helping people become healthier. Now, as promised, I'm going to answer some questions I've been getting about the Maximum Impact Bundle. One question I've been getting a lot is whether this course or this bundle is suitable for beginners or if the course is more for advanced trainers. The answer is it's very beginner friendly, and you don't need to have any prior experience before enrolling into this bundle package. Everything is broken down into small, bite-sized chunks so you can easily digest it and follow along. Some people have also been asking me how many certifications you actually receive in this bundle. The answer is a total number of 4 certifications: the Certified Personal Trainer, the Fitness Nutrition Specialist, the Health Coach certification, as well as the Online Personal Trainer certification. Those 4 absolutely will help you implement the impact-driven PT model. Another question is, do you need to be from the United States in order to use the impact-driven personal training model and benefit from this bundle? The answer is absolutely not. Although most of Fitness Mentor students are from the United States, I have plenty of people from Europe and all around the globe using the IDPT model, and it really does work in any country. And I know a lot of people that have been asking about how much the course is going to cost total. We haven't decided on an official price yet, but it's not going to be that expensive, and there's also going to be a payment plan in case you don't currently have the cash saved up. So I hope that's answered a lot of your questions. I've put together a video page with more information and a detailed outline of the course that will go live in a few days. But if you want to make sure you get a spot in this bundle, I'll give you some instructions right now that you need to follow once registration opens. Here's the thing, as much as I'd like to help everyone create the fitness business of their dreams, I simply can't work with more than just a handful of students at the same time while still providing the support and guidance that you need to get the results you want. I prefer keeping special bundles like this small and intimate. That way I can really be there for the students and make sure that everyone is really getting the support that they need. So please understand the class is limited and the spots will be granted on a first come, first served basis. And if you want to be a part of it, you have to act immediately once the registration opens. But here's what you can do to increase your odds of getting into the program. Number 1, if you've signed up for the early bird waitlist, you're lucky because your chances of getting into the program are significantly higher. I'll be sending out an email to everyone on the early bird waitlist shortly with a special early bird registration link. One reason why I've created an early bird waitlist is so you can get access to it before I announce it to the rest of the public. But to secure your spot, you need to act immediately once you get the early bird registration email. In case you weren't able to sign up for the early bird waitlist in time, you might still be able to get a spot in the upcoming class if you follow these instructions. Here's how you get it. Keep an eye out on your email and social media newsfeed. So as soon as you see an ad or an announcement that the doors to the Maximum Impact Bundle are open, click that link, which is going to take you to the registration page, and then you can secure your spot immediately. It's likely that there will be a rush to the registration page since there are so many people lined up for this class, but if you follow these instructions, you can increase your odds of getting a spot. That being said, I can't wait to help new and experienced personal trainers build a financially stellar career through impacting the health of their communities. That's all for me now. I hope you enjoyed this video series, and I'm looking forward to hitting the ground running with you as our student. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you make it into the class. Have a good one.